What's up? We here because y'all about to watch me read the end of Capone book 2. Okay. I just feel like some shit is about to go down. And I've been waiting all day to read the end. If you are new here, I'm Jonaekyoshee, and if you're coming back, hey, how you doing? Welcome to the newcomers. Follow, follow, follow. I likes to read. Reading likes when I read too. Warning, spoiler alerts, because I need the girls, the guys, the gals, the men's, the women's to talk to about this because it be having me, my brain is rattled. Okay? Rattled. Like, so let's do a recap. Rest in peace to Jaden's baby mama. I don't know how to say her name. I feel like her name is like Joey or something. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm sure y'all will. So she, rest in peace. Like, what the that was so abrupt because Aaron was just talking to her and she was just talking to Aaron. But okay, so that happened. I'm at the last like 10 pages. A lot has happened. It's making my head like insane. Aaron is pregnant by Capone, who she's known for 2 seconds. She moved in. She's pregnant. Like sis. I like that for her though. Um Donna is getting out soon, I think. They spent their first birthday together in like 15 years. Love that for them. Erin did her. Oh, how could I forget? Capri and Naheem. She was sleeping with one of the workers, which was like real close with Naheem. Like he was coming over, hanging out. Whole time he's smashing his wife. Naheem's giving him advice about the girl that, what is his name, Kincaid, is having problems with. Whole time it's his wife. And Capri is in love with him. Oh my gosh. And then he caught them. He walked up in that hotel, put a track on that car. He walked in on him. What the fuck? We got the vibes on in the back. And we're just gonna get into this. Let me tell y'all what time it is for that big wake up. 8:56 p.m. Tuesday, May 5th. Y'all, it's my birthday month. Big Taurus, May 13th. It's my birthday month. Must be 32. Yeah. All right. We're on page. Well, I'm on page. Y'all are watching. I'm on page 283 and there's 297 pages. I just know this is about to be some bullshit. Okay, get your book. Let's read. Let's go. He just told Aaron that the same man, the man that is responsible for Jaden, is the man that took your parents' life. Oh my gosh. She thinks her father just drove trucks. It's a fidget. Can I be the one to pull the trigger? Aaron? What the fuck? We're on page 286. This is Trilla. Trilla did tell Timmy to shoot Jaden, okay. Trilla's mom is a judge. The fuck? And he put that body in front of the judge's house. They sure did. They was on that dirt bike, like three gangsters. Tasha. Timmy. Timmy's dead. Hold on, hold on. Hold on, 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 hold on. Hold the fuck on. He walked in from the club, right? Tasha said we need to talk. And she said, Timmy, come down. But Timmy's dead. This is the Tasha that was so devastated and she couldn't even get dressed. And she. Timmy's alive? Oh my fucking god. Just drop me. Say, I'll be back. No, fuck that shit. Wait, Timmy's his kid? He said he said he killed your brother. Brother? What is happening? Capone took one of my sons from me, so I'm going to take his. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy. Oh my gosh. Timmy art her?
That baby is Timmy's. That baby's Timmy's? Am I jumping to conclusions? My bad, because the baby didn't make it. And neither did she. Was the baby Timmy's, y'all? Oh my god, this is driving me crazy.
Sarge is a dirty mother. He helped get Timmy out the house to Triller and Tasha. He's some grimy motherfuckers. They grimy. I'm so mad because the last clip didn't record my real reaction of Tasha walking up to Capri and Naheem and saying, Hey, I'm Tasha, Naheem's baby mother. We're having a baby boy, sister wife. What do you mean? She's pregnant. He wanted a kid. And then Jonaekyoshee played me because it says to be continued, but the book says it's 100% complete. Oh my gosh. Y'all don't understand. Girl, we get it. You could write. But these cliffhangers is cliffing a little too hard for me. And I can't take it. What the fuck just happened? I don't think y'all understand. I was supposed to be reading multiple books at a time. I started this book before Capone won. This is a great book, Judge Stone, Viola Davis, but I cannot pick it back up because the Capone season one, these books, they have me going insane. Y'all, I guess that concludes, it's 9:26 p.m. That concludes the end of this video. I'm gonna go crazy. Let me download book 3, and I have to write my book review and my book. Follow my Bookstagram. It's gonna be on the screen because that's where this is insane. This is absolutely insane.